Hello, hello. Good morning, good afternoon. Welcome, welcome. This is my monthly subscription box, cloth and paper. If you know me, you know I love stationery. It is one of my passions. This is not a sponsored post at all. I buy these boxes myself. I get a monthly subscription, and it is one of the rewards I allow myself for making positive progress at work with my goals and my home life and everything like that. So that is where this comes in. But I also love sharing it with you, and that is where the video comes in. So this is actually a late video. This is my December cloth and paper subscription box. If you want to know why I'm so late, you should check out this week's podcast video that was done just a couple of days ago. But essentially, I took a couple of months off to have a baby. Thank you very much. So now we are back. It is the new year, and I want to get started up and running. And I'm really, really excited about that. So let's get into this box. I don't think I know what's inside this box um, because it's been so long. This box has literally been sitting here for a month, and I've been thinking about opening it, and I have not had time. I've been so busy with the holidays, so busy with the new baby, but I'm here now, you're here now, we can do this together. The January box is already on its way, so, I gotta get this out. Ooh, shiny and beautiful. Okay, let's see what this is. I got my little card, got I got a box in a box. Okay, so this can go. Let's just toss this. And now we are looking at this. It's got some little those little magnetic give. Let's see. Um, Says luxury and simplicity on the side here, if you can see that. Cloth and paper 2023-2024 archive. So it's an archive box. And here we go. So I also have the Penspiration pack. That's where this comes in. And let's see what else we've got in here. So I'm going to put this box off to the side because this is obviously an archive box. It looks like I can store all kinds of goodies in here to archive them away. This will come in very useful. Let's put a little bit of that glare over there. And here is, this looks like, oh, it's a photo box, photo book, not a box. So cloth and paper 2023-2024. These are for moments. Oh, it's got a couple little, there we go. Now I am actually impressed with this finish because you would think it would keep your fingerprints on here, but it does not. It smudges a little bit. It's a little bit smudgy, but not much. Like it's actually holds up quite well. And so let's see. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10. So it holds 10 and 10 will be 20 double-sided 40 photos. I do not actually take photos or process them, or what is it? Develop. I do not develop photos anymore, so I will have to find some photos over the last year to develop. Actually, my 4-year-old just had school pictures that we printed off to give to everybody for Christmas. So maybe I'll put those, but that's only 2 pictures. So we'll see. Maybe I will do something with this and I'll figure it out and I will update you guys on what I did with it later and I will show it to you. But I'm going to also take this. Okay, let me leave this up here. Let's leave this here. Okay. We got some flag arrowheads. I always love these. And let's see what is inside the dust bag. Me and folding, I don't know what it is about folding. I fold everything. Okay, so we got these flags. They look like this paper flags. I like the colors. I am that sad beige person. We have some of the plastic ones. Sorry if you hear a little bit of snoring in the background. That is actually my baby. So please ignore it. He is literally like sawing some logs off screen. Ooh, they are really on this silver moment, and I do love it. And so we have some silver washi. I do love me some washi. Put these here. Okay, these ones here. Oh, these are 2024 calendar cards. These are made out of the plastic. Oh, these are nice. These are nice, quite pretty. So it's just the month at a glance, J for January. I will have to oh, okay, it does in fact say the month up here. I don't know if you can see that here. It does in fact say the month up here, if you can see. uh, Because I was a little bit worried because I'm sitting here thinking and a little bit worried. Okay, January, June, July. How am I going to tell them apart? March and May. How am I going to tell them apart? But it actually says it in there, so we're good. We are actually quite good. I'm gonna have to find somewhere to display these because they're nice. They're pretty nice. They don't fit back in. We'll figure that out later. Okay, so moments. Is this going to be for my 2024 moments or do my 2023, 2024? Okay, so I can put both of my moments in here. I don't know. I don't know. I love the color though. If you could tell, I did not plan this. Did not plan this. Had no idea that this was going to be in here, but my nails color coordinate quite well with this little envelope here, and I believe it's for, photos, I believe, possibly. And moi hmm, mon mieux, moi, mais mieux, there we go. I could not quite read the writing. Moi is less, mais is but, and, mieux is better. So less but better. Yeah. Oh, less but better. It says it right here. I did go to French immersion, so I am a little bit familiar. And you can see I finally it's flipping over to half um my half page 9-hole punch. So that's going to be nice because I just got my agenda. It's not up here, it's downstairs. I was not planning on filming this video while I was up here puttering about, but I stole some time. This is so this does say, putting emphasis on meaningful experiences, quantify and simplicity or quality and simplicity, putting emphasis on meaning experiences, quality and simplicity. Oh, it's just going to say the same thing over and over again. So this is a paper dashboard. So love that for me. And I wonder if this year is the year of the green. Actually really excited about that because I literally painted my green or my nails green because I'm manifesting all that green successful energy this year. It's just the green is like life and flourishing and with spring coming up, just like that revival. So member access, this is just telling me how to use my points. This is a blank calendar. This is the inspiration card, and it has the pen test on the back. Oh, cadence. So a little cadence stackable moment. Here is my February card. We'll put that aside for February. I do like the new embossing they have on here. Everything, all of them are embossed, and it's a nice texture. Oh, this is the overview of what's inside. What's inside? What's inside? And editor's note. Oh, and another little, like a little luxury and simplicity. This is more of a like a plasticky color, so it's another one of these like little stackable moments. Okay, pens. Let's make some space. So here we have, ooh, juice up 0.5. A 0.7. I'm excited for this one. Let me tell you right now, I do prefer 0.7s. Um, but we don't get them very often. So when I see one, I get pretty giddy. Micron graphic, and another zero point 0.5 pen, fiber castile, and ooh, I wonder if I have this color. I have like every color of mild liner, but we'll see. Okay, Micron graphic needle pen. So that's this one, Micron graphic. So this is a fine liner, fine point pen. Is it going to be brown? It is brown. This is so smooth. Love the color. Love how it writes. It does not feel overly long. Like the felt tip does not feel overly long. So I'm not worried about snapping it or anything like that because I do have quite a strong grip and I do have to be very conscious of how hard down I press. But I love this. Very smooth for a zero point 0.5. That's usually my problem with zero point 0.5 is not at all the size of the tip, but it's how smoothly it writes. I find that they're a little bit scratchy. Okay, what's next? The next is the Zebra ballpoint pen. That's a zero point 0.7 in black ink. All right, so I have mixed feelings. I like it's very smooth. It feels much thinner than um, a normal zero point 0.7, which I find actually really, really shocking. It does feel like I'm writing on a stiletto, but it is also very smooth. So I am not hating on it. So then next we have this Pilot Juice Pen. Okay, this one very much feels like a zero point 0.5 millimeter. Very, very, very fine pen. A little bit scratchy, but does write quite smoothly. So I am not hating on it. So this is a pencil zero point 0.5 as well. This is the Faber-Castell. Not bad. This is a little bit shaky, like the lead tip is a little bit, I don't want to say loose, but I just did one click, so it's not out super far. But it is still, because I am a quite a heavy writer, it is a little bit tenuous. I feel like it is a little bit unstable. Um, I really do this is one of the situations that really makes me miss the zero point 0.7 or even a zero point 0.9 in lead. because I just think it would be so much smoother. But it is what it is. It's okay. I don't hate it. It was smooth enough. It was scratchy. I would pick it up in a pinch, but I don't know if it would be an everyday for me. And mild liner. When I tell you I love the color olive, ugh, and it is olive. I'm pretty sure I have this color, but I do love it. It's a nice kind of olivey color. Very, very pretty. Okay, so that is all of my goodies for the month. Yeah, the month. This is supposed to be for last month. So I'm going to have a second box this month. It's going to be awesome, amazing. I'm going to love it. But that's all till now. Let me know what you like if you've tried any of these pens. Oh, by the way, last month's video, if you have not seen it, there was a gray highlighter. Very important. I missed, somebody left it in the comments. I missed that it was erasable. I went back, I tried it. I love it. Amazing. It is quite erasable. The eraser works so well on it. Like comes completely off like it was never highlighted. My mind is blown. Absolutely love it. If you do follow me, you notice that I am a sad beige girl, beige and green. I love me some earth tones. Beige, green, gray, that is me all day. And so a gray highlighter that is also erasable, yes, please. Um, so that is just a kind of a little hint on last time. I am going to be making a video that will show you a tour through my new planner as I set it up. I've kind of started using it, but I am very excited to share the rest of the setup with you guys. Anyways, that's it. That's all for now. I'm gonna let you go. I will see you in the next one. If you have not already caught my New Year's video, where I am just updating you on all of the plans for 2024, make sure you go and catch that. Otherwise, you can wait and you will see some new videos or some suggestions pop up on your screen, and that hopefully will keep you occupied until my next video. And until then, I really do hope you have an amazing adventure.